How to fix ITVX app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your ITVX application is not working, you can scroll down your notification center and check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a mobile data or a better Wi-Fi connection, or try to enable the airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. If you are connected to a VPN connection, make sure to disable it. That might be the case while your application is not working. If the issue still persists, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap Open your phone settings. From all of these options, scroll down and tap on Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for ITVX. You need to tap on the Force Stop button. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. By this way, you'll be able to fix the application not working. And this is a wrap for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.